friends, this is Amlan Devnath, your instructor for today's class. In the previous video, we had already discussed about the modules. In this video, we will be discussing regarding the packages. What are packages and how we can create our own customized packages in Python programs. Now let us begin. Packages are nothing but a group of modules. You know what are modules? Module is a single Python file in which you can keep your functions, variables, classes, and that single file you can import into your program. A package is a group of all such modules together in a single folder. Suppose you have created few number of modules, 4 or 5. If you combine all those modules together into a folder, that can be used as a package. Packages are used for code distribution. While a module is used for code organization, packages can be used for code distribution. So that source code which you have kept in your packages can be used by another programmer staying in another part of the world and used directly in his own program. Let us now see how we can create packages. For packages, your basic need will be two things, a folder and a file in that one with a name as _init_dot_py. So let us create that. We are in part 2 folder and let us create a folder here. Let us give it a name refer. In this refer, we will be creating a file named _init_py. This should be a blank file generally. It is always required to keep a _init.py file so that Python can easily recognize that this is a Python package. But for the versions of Python more than 3.3, this is no more necessary. Without this _init_.py file also, you can use those modules present in your package. But for the versions of Python less than 3.3, you will be needing this file so that the modules can be imported. But still, keeping this _init_.py file in your package folder helps everyone to understand that this is package. This is just a convention now. Now let us create some modules in this refer package. For that one, we will click on refer and create a new file. reference1.py. We can give it such name of this module. So we will be referring something from this one. So we can give it name reference.py. Let us create a function here. Def, suppose may it be multiplication. What it will do? It will take two numbers and return us its product. Simple. This multiplication function has been created in our reference.py. Now let us import that one in our main.py. How we can do that one? We have to write from refer import reference. Now you can use this reference module in your refer package for your tasks. For example, we need to get the product of 3 and 4. How we can do that one? We will just call the function in reference. Product equal to reference dot multiplication, and here we have to pass the values 3, 4, and we will be printing product. Print product. Now let us run this. You can see we are calling the function multiplication present in reference 1 module in refer package, and we can get this product. You can send this refer package to any of your colleague or any other programmer so that they can use this multiplication function present in reference 1 module of refer package. So in this way you can distribute your code to others. Let us now see how to import only a particular function or class in another module of a package. We have to use dot notation. For this, the syntax would be like from package name dot module name. We have to pass module name after the package name, and from that import the function or class that is present in that module. Function. So how it would be like? It would be like from refer dot reference 1 import multiplication. So if we do this, we can directly call the function without pointing the module name. This is also used to avoid unnecessary importing of the unrequired classes or functions. There might have been some other functions present in reference1.py which we do not require. So there is no need to import those, right? Therefore, instead we will be passing the package name and module name and import only the function that we need to refer from the module. So let us print product2 and check if it is working. Yes, it's working. We can import the function from the module. Now there are few syntax which you need to abide by while importing. If you want to import all the functions present in a module, you have to use star. So how we can do that one? We will be importing all using star. What is the use of that one? Suppose we have many functions present inside a module and we need to use most of them. For that case, we will use star. So let us add one function in our reference1.py module. We have already function multiplication. Let us add a function of addition. Add a comma b, return a plus b. So if we are importing star, that means all, we can do add also. Product 3 is equal to add 45, 54. Print product 3. Now let us run this. You can see we are getting 21 as the result of the first multiplication and 99 as the result of the add, which is the second function in our reference module. So when to use star and when to use a particular function name. If we need only 2-3 function name from a module, it is better to mention those only in our import line. But if we are using most of them, we can use star. So it is very much simple. In this way, you can create your own customized packages and share to others so that code distribution becomes easy. If you have any more doubt, just ask me in the comments. I will be happy to help you. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Stay happy.